Guangdong Yanling Life Technology Stock Company Limited, established in April 2010, has been producing healthcare products for 13 years. It's located in the Guangzhou, Meizhou Industrial Park, Guangdong Province, China. It is a domestic joint stock enterprise that integrates the research, development, production and sales of nutritional and functional health foods. We are a large Chinese health food GMP-certified enterprise. We have our own factory and attach great importance to product quality. We have more than 10 functional food production lines. We have annual production capacity reaches 30 million yuan. Our main categories are tablets, capsules, powder, tea and beverage, etc. We have the following equipment: vacuum batching tank, Fenkao Puti heat insulating rubber bucket, colloid mill, vacuum glue tank, fully automatic soft capsule machine, coal mining room, fixed rotating cage, automatic electronic counting machine, high-speed bottle sorting machine, bottle loading turntable, and continuous electromagnetic induction sealing machine, etc. We are a high-tech enterprise certified by the Chinese government and have been awarded the title of National A-Class Taxpayer for several consecutive years. And we are also as the governing unit of Guangdong Health Food Industry Association. We adhering to the business philosophy of people-oriented, excellent quality, innovative development, healthy global. Our commitment is we provide high-quality, competitive products and good reputation. We continue to develop and launch new products to lead the market. We make profits together with our customers all over the world.